In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper way to remove and replace worn front brake hoses on a 1991 Ford Explorer. In this step, we're going to talk about breaking loose of the caliper's bleeder and removal of the Banjo bolt or the lower hydraulic fitting for your brake hose. Okay, I got my wrench here. I'm going to go ahead and make sure my bleeder comes free right there. You may have to tap on it with a hammer to jar the threads a little bit to get them to break loose, or apply a little heat to the skinny side of the caliper. You can see how it's real skinny here. You're not going to want to heat up this side because your heat will dissipate into all the metal. You want to heat up that side if your bleeder doesn't come free. So you can see mine does. No trouble there. I'm going to take my ratchet, and on a 91 Ford Explorer, it takes a 14 millimeter for the Banjo bolt located right here. We'll take and break that loose. Your replacement hose is going to come with new brass washers. There is discussion, and it goes both ways as far as reusing the old ones or using the new ones. I'm going to leave that up to you. I always reuse the old ones. They're used to the caliper surface and have been fitting on there and sealing there for years and years and years. So I like to reuse the old ones. This bolt is reusable. You're going to save this. As you can see, there's one of the brass washers I was telling you about. I'll take and get that off there because I'm going to save mine. All right. There's also one more on the caliper. It's stuck. I'm going to leave it right there because it is exactly where it needs to be. That is the proper way to break loose your bleeder and remove the Banjo bolt on the lower portion of your brake hose.